In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a text when new GoHighLevel leads come in. By the end, you'll have a simple workflow that pings your phone whenever someone submits a form so you can follow up fast and never miss a hot lead. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head to your locations dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Automation. This is where we'll build the workflow that connects a lead event to a text notification. On the Workflows page, click Create Workflow. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. Starting clean keeps things simple and avoids pulling in settings you don't need. You'll land on a blank canvas. Click Add New Trigger. The trigger is what tells the workflow when to run. In the search bar, type form submitted, then select form submitted from the results. This means your workflow will start every time someone fills out and submits your form. Click Save Trigger to lock that in. Saving right away is a good habit so you don't lose your setup as you go. Next, let's add the text message action. Click the plus icon beneath your new trigger to add the first step. In the action search, type Send SMS and choose Send SMS. This is the action that will send the actual text to you or your team. Now, configure it. Give the action a clear action name, like New Lead Text Alert, so it's easy to recognize later. If you use messaging templates in your account, choose Templates and select the one you prefer. Otherwise, type your message. Keep it short, clear, and useful. For example, include the lead's name in the form they submitted so you have instant context. If needed, you can attach files through URL, such as a link to a PDF or a resource you want at your fingertips. Only include links you trust and that are relevant to your internal alert. Before saving, use the test phone number field to try out your message formatting. Send test to a safe number to confirm the content looks right and that line breaks and any merge fields appear as expected. When you're happy, click Save Action. That's it. Your workflow is set to send a text as soon as a form is submitted. As a quick tip, keep your action names descriptive, keep messages concise, and stick to compliant, business-appropriate content. With this in place, you'll be able to respond to new leads quickly, right from your phone.